Hello everyone, in this video I will be showcasing you how we can make high CTR thumbnails for YouTube like these that you are showing on the screen. So if you like these kind of thumbnails, I will show you a step-by-step tutorial on how we can do next thumbnails like that. So for that we will be using Gemini Google Nano Banana 2 model. So for this I have created a prompt for it to paste, so you can see this prompt. So I will copy this prompt for what does it say. You can see a YouTube aspect ratio and also 100% original, not a duplicate, and should be high CTR click through rate. Now the second thing is I will be giving it a few you can say examples on how the thumbnail should look like, so it can analyze it. So now I will take a screenshot of this. So I'll paste it here, and also now I will take a screenshot of this thumbnail and also paste it to my Gemini. So once that is done, I will just go ahead and click enter, and then it will analyze it, and then the Gemini will say okay, then you can paste in your own image, and then you can say what kind of image are you looking for. It has created. Now it is saying please you upload your photo now. Now I will upload the stock image, and then I'll say the title of the video should be so I'm writing N10 workflow for free. Okay, and then I'll change the model from fast to thinking, and then in the tools I'll use the create image to choose the Nano Banana tool. So I click on enter, and now in a few seconds you will see that it will start creating and will show us the results. So as you can see guys, we have got the result, and you are seeing it looks very good to upload on YouTube. So if you like this tutorial, please do follow me here on LinkedIn, and thank you for watching.